Yes, hi guys. Question number 15 we are doing. Okay, sir. Two questions are left over. 15th and 16th. Now let me take the 15th question. Now it says if cos theta is equal to, it says if cos theta is equal to minus 3 upon 5. It says minus 3 upon 5. Yeah. If cos theta is equal to minus 3 upon 5 and theta lies between 0 is less than theta is less than 3 pi by, sorry, pi less than, I'm sorry, it is not 0, but it is pi less than theta is less than 3 pi by 2, means third quadrant. It is in the third quadrant, theta lies in the third quadrant. Then find the value of other trigonometric functions. To find what we find out values of, this is the first thing, values of other trigonometric functions. Second point, 15th question, and evaluate, and hence evaluate and hence evaluate value of, or evaluate the following, evaluate the value of, or evaluate the following, or evaluate the following, evaluate, we have to evaluate here cosec theta plus cot theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, the value of this is to be calculated. This we have to evaluate and functions, and hence evaluate this value cosec theta plus cot theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. 15th question. Okay, cos theta is given minus 3 by 5 and theta is lying in the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant where tan theta and cot theta are positive. Tan and cot theta may be no problem. Tan and cot are positive. They are positive here. Others are negative. This we know about. Y dash x dash 4 region. Now this whole plane is divided into 4 parts. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the third quadrant, it gives us cos theta is minus 3 by 5. Naturally, cos theta is negative in third quadrant. Sin theta is also positive, negative. Only tan and cot are positive. Others are negative. Okay. Let me find out what are the other values. Now cos theta is given. So both of the methods can be applied. Either of the methods can be applied. I mean, solution. Let me find out values of other trigonometric ratios. So if I first apply the triangle method, this is theta angle we are given. Now cos theta is 3. This is base. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. ABC right triangle. We have taken here. ABC is right triangle. We have taken here ABC, and this HB base theta, the side opposite to angle which we are considering, is perpendicular always, and this is base, this is hypotenuse. Alright. Now cos theta is minus 3 by 5. So minus sign just forget about. This is base upon, this is 3 here, and hypotenuse is 5. What is this? This perpendicular p square equal to h square minus b square. This we know about. Well, hypotenuse square equal to p square plus b square, therefore p square equal to, take b square to other side, h square minus b square equal to p square, or p is equal to square root of h square minus b square, hypotenuse square minus, this is 5 square minus 3 square. Okay, base is 3 here. This base b, but base is 3. So 5 square minus 3 square, b is here, on here taken. No problem. So this is square root 25 minus 9 equal to under root 16, that is equal to 4. Now P is 4 here. The perpendicular is 4. Simple. This is the first triangle method which we always apply. This is the shortest one. Now other trigonometric functions can be easily calculated. What are those? So others are cos theta. Now the reciprocal is sec theta. Sec theta will be minus 5 by 3. This reciprocal of this, reverse this ratio. So sec theta is calculated. Sin theta now. Sin theta is also negative in the third quadrant. So minus sign is there. You have to keep minus sign. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. 4 upon 5. Cosec theta will be just opposite of this. Cosec theta is minus 5 by 4. This reciprocal of this. Now tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. 4 by 3. This is positive because in third quadrant tan and cot are positive. And therefore cot theta is 3 by 4, just reciprocal of this. These are the 5 trigonometric functions which we have to calculate. Now we have calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth one is given. Okay, so this is here the values are given. Sec negative, sin negative, cosec negative, tan and cot are positive. 4 by 3, 3 by 4. What is the value of this? Now this is the first solution. First part is done. Find various values of other trigonometric functions we have calculated. Second part is evaluate. Now cosec theta plus cot theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta is minus 5 by 4 plus cot theta is positive. Cot theta is 3 by 4 divided by secant theta. Secant theta is minus 5 by 3 minus sin tan theta. Tan theta is positive 4 by 3. What the LCM in the numerator 4 minus 5 plus 3 divided by denominator LCM is 3, which is minus 5 minus 4, both are negative in the denominator. So finally what we get? Here are the values of this. Now let me solve it here. Therefore the second we are doing, this is equal to the solving this. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 upon 4 divided by minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 added minus 9 divided by 3. Okay, so we can reverse the denominator ratio. This is minus 2 upon 4 into 3 upon minus 9 minus 9 plus here. So 3 is a 9, 2 is a 4, 1.6 here. It is 1.6 answer. Answer of this is 1.6. Okay, so let me write here the answer. These are the answers here. 5 trigonometric ratios were there, and this is the answer 1.6. 1.6 is the answer. This is the second answer. First answer was trigonometric ratios be calculated. Okay, so those were the values. Now, if I apply the trigonometric identity, because now cos theta is given, sin theta can be calculated. What is sin theta? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know from trigonometric identity. What is trigonometric identity? The basic trigonometric identity is this, is equal to 1. Cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta which we have to calculate is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is given is equal to cos theta is minus 3 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 9 upon 25. This is nothing but 25 minus 9 upon 25 equal to 16 upon 25. Therefore, sin theta is equal to now sin theta in third quadrant is negative, so we have to keep minus sign. This is 16 upon 25 LCM, sorry, square root, it is minus 4 by 5. Same value was calculated because 4 bars the value of perpendicular, 4 upon 5 the value of cos sin theta. Therefore cosec theta is minus 5 by 4. Second theta we have to calculate from the given value, minus 5 by 3. Okay, cos theta is given to us minus 3 by 5. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This will be positive because both are negative. Now sin theta is minus 4 by 5. So sin theta is here minus 4 by 5. Sin theta is minus 4 by 5 divided by cos theta. Cos theta is minus 3 by 5. 5 cancelled out. Minus plus it is 4 by 3. Perpendicular from base. Perpendicular was 4 and this is 3. 4 by 3 tan theta is calculated. Now cos theta therefore is reverse of this is 3 by 4. All these ratios are sin theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. These are the answers. So either of the way, either trigonometric identity to be used or right angle triangle solution of triangle is used, answer will be same. Okay, that is the process of solving these questions. Now the value of this if I substitute, so substituting the value then cosec theta is minus 5 by 4 which I have just calculated, and this is plus sign in between, but cot theta is 4 by 3, 3 by 4. It is cot theta is 3 by 4. Same answer is there. Second theta is minus 5 by 3. Minus sign in between, but tan theta is positive. Tan theta is 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3. Okay, so LCM 3 in the denominator. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 9. It is minus 5 plus 3, minus 2 upon 4 divided by, it is minus 9 upon 3. So 3 is 9. I can say 9 plus here 2 1 ja 2 1.2. It is 1 upon 2 divided by 1.3. Only 3. 39. So this is 3 only. So it is 1.2 into 1.3 divided by 3 means multiplication of 1.3. It is 1.6. The answer is 1.6 positive value. The answer of this is 1.6. Same answer obtained by that solution method. Triangle solution method is also giving the same answer. This is the same process here. Answer is here 1.6. This is second answer. So ratios, trigonometric functions idea, and the value of the evaluation of the trigonometric functions given. Okay, the fraction of trigonometric functions are given. We have calculated both ways. 16th question, which is the last one. Question number 16 that says if, let me write here, if 4 into sin square theta is equal to 1. Here it says if 4 into sin square theta is equal to 1, find the value of, then find the value of 2 plus 3 cos square theta. 2 plus 3 cos square theta divided by 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Only cos square theta is there, right? So we have to evaluate this value. Only this is given, no other trigonometric functions are required. Only cos theta is required. So sin theta is given here. Okay, so to find the value of this, or this is what? Now let me find the solution. First of all, sin theta is given. So we are given sin square 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Imply that sin square theta is equal to 1.4 divided by 4. So sin theta is equal to plus minus 1.2. Now it is plus 2. Now nothing is given where the theta lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant. So we will consider it in the first quadrant. Whenever nothing is given, we always take it positive. So theta is taken positive in the first quadrant. I mean, it is positive for all values. If 4 sin square theta is 1, find the value of this. Therefore, now sin theta is what is cos theta. that we find out by formula. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. From the basic formula, what is that basic formula? Basic identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to, therefore, double theta I am using. This is cos square theta, therefore is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So here sin square theta is 1.4. Let me write here directly. This 4 minus 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Therefore cos theta is equal to square root of this 3 by 4. That means root 3 by 2. This is value of cos theta. Cos theta is now calculated. No other trigonometric functions are required. Okay, so this is cos theta value. Substituting this value of cos theta here, cos square theta is 3 by 4. Cos square theta is required here. Therefore, 2 plus 3 cos square theta divided by 1 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to 2 plus 3 into 3 by 4. So cos square theta is directly 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 2 into 3 by 4. Cos square theta, we are substituting directly. So in the numerator we get 2 plus 9 by 4 divided by, in the denominator we get 1 minus 2 to the 4, this is 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. The negative I think coming. Sorry. Sorry friends. Okay, so LCM in the numerator is 4. So the 4 to the 8 plus 9 divided by 2 minus 3 upon 2 LCM. So it gives us 17 upon 8 plus 9 is 17 upon 4. Sign of division left to right. It is minus 1.3, minus 1.2, sorry. So in case of multiplication, if I convert this into multiplication sign, what it will give us? It will give us 17 by 4 multiplication 2 by minus 1. I have just reversed the ratio. When we convert division sign into multiplication, we reverse the ratio. This is minus 1.2 in the denominator. Okay, so this is the value. Answer is 2 to the 4. Minus 17 by 2. It is negative sign in the denominator. So 17 upon 2 to the 4 here. It is 2 at the 17. Sorry. So minus 8 and 1.2. It is 17 by 2. 2 8 is 16. 1.2. So minus 8 and 1.2. This is the answer here. Okay. 2 plus 3 into cos square theta upon 1 minus 2 into cos square theta. This is 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This answer is minus 17 upon 2 or equal to minus 8 and 1.2. 8 and half. Minus 8 and half. This is the answer. Not negative but positive. Sorry, not positive but negative value. The answer is this. So this is the answer of 16th question. Okay, so finally answer is calculated. This is the last answer, last question I mean. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so this ends this lecture series here. Okay, so in the 4th lecture series I have taken the basics of trigonometry, because in this case how to solve with the help of triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, find the sides of the triangle and then find the respective trigonometric functions. That is one of the possibilities. Second is find the identities with the help of identities. Those 9 identities, basics are 3, and out of those 3, 2 more are calculated, so 6 more. That means in total 9, those trigonometric identities basically are used. Or just first identity, sin square theta plus cos theta, if it is used, with the help of this only we can calculate other trigonometric functions. That is the process which I have dealt with. Okay, so this is complete this lecture series. Okay, and the 5th one I'll take next topic. Okay, then see you that time.